Microsoft is sending support for Windows 10, but your unsupported PC isn't ready yet. In this video, I show you the way to keep your computer running with the latest bypass for Windows 11 25 and show you how to install Windows 11 25 on your unsupported PC. No TPM, no secure boot, 100% working. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is open a browser. Now in a browser, search for Windows 11 download. And here is the link, download Windows 11 Microsoft.com. Open it, and here you go. Scroll a little bit, and from there, click on the drop down and select Windows 11 Malta Edition ISO. Confirm. And now what you're gonna do is select your language. In my case, I'm choosing English United States. You can choose your own. Click on confirm. Now, you can see Windows 11 25 is there. And what you're gonna do is click on 64-bit download and download will be started. I've already downloaded, that's why I'm not gonna click on here. Now again, what you're gonna do is search for Rufus. And here is the website, rufus.ie. Click on it. Scroll a little bit. And here, click on the latest and download will be started. Now it's completed. Now you're gonna do is close the browser and open this PC, go to downloads, and here you go. Rufus and Windows 11 25 is there. Now we're gonna do is insert a pen drive to your computer, minimum 8 GB in size. Now double tap on Rufus, click on yes. Again yes. Now you can minimize this. Now click on the drop down and select the USB drive. Now click on select and go to downloads, and here you can see Windows 11 25 is there. Select it and click on open. Now it's there. Now most important thing, right click on the start menu, click on disk management, choose disk 0, select it and right click on it, click on properties, go to volumes, and here you can see partition style, that is GUID partition, that is GPT, and here you're gonna select GPT. If in a case here is MBR, then you gotta choose MBR, but my recommendation is always choose GPT. Close it, close it. Now before going to click on start, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, and also every data on your computer is backed up, because in this process you're gonna lose every data on your pen drive, and as well as from the hard drive or SSD you are going to install Windows 11. So make sure every data is backed up. Now click on start, and here the most important part, make sure that remove requirements for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM2 is checked up here, and select this and check this box or remove requirements for online account. And if you want to create a pre-allocated account, click on this icon and choose your name. You can also select this option that is set region options to the same values as the user. That means my Windows 11 is English United States language, so it'll be set as same as it is. You can also choose this will keep your installation easier, and that's it. If you want to disable BitLocker, you can also do, but I'm not gonna do this. Now click on OK. Now again click on OK. Again click on OK. Now it's started. Finally, this process may take 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna wait here patiently. Now when it's ready, it will show ready, and you just click on close. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna restart your PC and boot into bit menu. If you don't know how, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search in Google. Now let me restart my PC. Now from the boot menu, select your USB drive and hit on enter. Now in the screen, select language and click on next. Select the keyboard layout, click on next. Now choose install Windows 11 and click on I agree and click on next. Here choose I don't have product key. Now choose the Windows 11 version and click on next. Now, click on Accept. Now, if you want to install boot, you can select your tribe and click on Next, and installation will be started. Since I want to install single boot or clean install, I'll just click Shift and F10 together and Command prompt will be there. And now type disk port, hit enter. Now type list space disk, hit enter. Now here you can see every disk is listed here. Now type sale space disk number. In my case, disk 0 is my SSD where I want to install Windows 11. So I'm choosing here disk 0 and hit enter. Now type clean. Now make sure before clean means format or clean your SSD. Whatever data you have kept in your SSD or hard drive will be erased completely. Now hit on enter and it's done. Now close it, and what you're gonna do is refresh. Now you can see unallocated spaces there. Select it and click on next. Now it's showing install Windows 11 Pro. Keep nothing. Click on install. The installation process has been started. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. During the installation, your PC may restart several times. No need to worry about. Now set up your internet connection. Now finally, congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows 11 25 ST over Windows 10. Now you're safe. Let me show you the settings in system and about. And you can see Windows 11 25 ST is there. So Windows 11 25 ST is successfully installed to your PC. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.